fans of Top Gear will be disappointed to learn that it seems like the car show could be finished for good. Uncertainty has surrounded the BBC favourite ever since Andrew Freddie Flintoff was involved in a serious accident last year, after which he was deemed lucky to be alive. The 45-year-old was filming for the popular programme when his car flipped over after a collision. The former cricketer was rushed to hospital with facial injuries and broken ribs and continues to recover from the horror incident. While BBC hasn't given many updates about the future of the series, new pictures which show the Top Gear site being seemingly demolished seem to suggest it's bad news for the classic show. Photos show bulldozers digging up the test track, which was the site of Freddie's accident. In the pictures, which have been obtained by The Sun, it's clear Dunsfold Aerodrome is being redeveloped. Freddie's accident saw the series halted, and it was confirmed he wouldn't be returning. Ever since though, fans have expressed concerns it could be the end of the road for the series itself. Don't miss. Philip Schofield desperately tries to make Holly laugh but fans brand it fake. Video, Ruth Langsford loving drama with Philip Schofield hours after Raymond's dig. Latest, Eurovision fans blame music mix for UK's Mae Muller second bottom place. Reaction, an insider told The Sun, allowing the site to be sold off is a damning statement for the series' future. Developers seem to be digging up the site for a housing estate, according to the publication. The location in Surrey has been the home of Top Gear ever since the 2002 relaunch. With the site being worked on, fans' fears are seemingly confirmed as to the fate of Top Gear. In March, the BBC confirmed filming for Top Gear had halted in light of the serious accident. Freddie was seen publicly for the first time since the accident in April, with pictures showing him sporting sunglasses and covering his face. The collision was the second one Freddie had been involved in while filming Top Gear and adds to the number of serious crashes the presenters have suffered during filming. Express.co.uk has contacted BBC for a comment on the photos.